All right, there's another round of 10-minute warm-up. We're going to do a bit of core work here and work into the back line of the body and a bit into the glutes. So to get started, bring yourself down onto your back. And when you're down, pull your knees into your chest. Just squeeze everything down tight. And as you're squeezing the knees in, lift your head and shoulders, look forward, and then bring your hands behind your head. Now, interlace your fingers. Keep your palms open, enough pressure from your hands that you can head skin stay lifted without you straining your neck. And then I want you to try to keep your low back on the floor. We're going to go back and forth, extending one leg and twisting. So right leg forward, right elbow to left knee. And then come back to center. Extend the left leg forward, twist right. Back to center. Right leg forward, twist left. Come back in. Left leg forward, twist right. And then back to center. Right leg forward, twist left again. Back to center. Left leg forward, twist right. Back to center. Keep your head lifted. Right leg forward, twist left. Bring it back to center. Left leg forward, twist right. Back to center. 5 more rounds. Right leg forward, twist left. Back to center. Left leg forward, twist right. Back to center. 4 more. Right leg forward, twist left. Back to center. Left leg forward, twist right. Back to center. 3 more. Right leg forward, twist left. Back to center. Left leg forward, twist right. Back to center. Right leg forward, twist left again. Back to center. Left leg forward, twist right. Back to center. I think we got 1 more. Right leg forward, twist left. Back to center. And then left leg forward, twist right. Bring it back to center. And then set your feet down. Bring your head down to the floor. And then once you're down, just release your hands. Arms out to your sides, right and left. And just keep your palms down, keep your shoulders grounded. Now lift your feet up off the floor and just keep a 90-degree bend at the knees, like you're falling backwards on a chair. And then just twist back and forth from here. Keep your shoulders down. So bring your knees down to the right as far as you can go without setting the right leg on the floor. Come up to center and twist. Sink down, but keep that left leg off the floor. Back through center. And twist. Let the legs sink down to the right. And then bring it through again. Let your legs sink down over the left side. Keep your shoulders grounded. And bring it back through. Now, one more time. Twist to the right. Now, go as low as you can hold without releasing your right leg to the floor. Keep the left shoulder down. If you want to take it further, maybe extend your left leg to the right. You'll feel more tension. Now, bring it through. Come over to your left side. Let the legs sink down. Keep the left leg off the floor. Right shoulder stays down. And maybe extend your right leg out to the left. And then bring this back into center. And once you're back, set the left foot down. Extend your right leg up toward the ceiling. Now straighten your right leg as much as you can. If you got to bend the knee, that's fine. Just keep the ankle stacked over the hip. And face the sole of the foot up toward the ceiling. Now lift your head and shoulders. Reach up with both arms. We're going to go back and forth reaching, but I want you to work this as a twist. You're reaching from your shoulder rather than just your hand. Going back and forth starting with the right. So reach up to 10, 10, 9, 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. And on 1, keep reaching with your left shoulder high. Take an inhale. And then with the exhale, just release and come down. Switch it out. Right foot on the floor. Left leg high. Now again, stack the ankle above the hip. If you've got to bend the knee, just keep the sole of the foot facing up. Lift your head and shoulders. Reach up with both arms. And again, reaching from your shoulders to twist. Take it back and forth, starting with the left this time. So 10, 10. 9, 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. And on 1, keep reaching with your right shoulder high. Take an inhale. And then with the exhale, just bring it back down. Now, once you're down, bring your knees to your chest. Bring your hands to knees and squeeze everything in. Lift your head and shoulders, curl up. Cross at the ankles, roll forward to a seat. Let's take it up to reverse tabletop from here. Now feet in front of you, hips width. Hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width. Now palms down, you can rotate your fingertips forward or out to the sides if that's better on your wrists. Either way, just push down, lift your seat up off the floor. And we'll take this up and down. So press your hips up and squeeze your glutes. Sink back down. Lift up high for 2. And then come back down. Press this up for 3. Sink back down. Lift up for 4. And then come back down. Hips up for 5, and I want you to stay here. Now keep your glutes squeezing, keep your hips pushing up. Lift your chest. You can look forward, look up, or hang your head back. Engage it further. Dig your heels into the floor. Try to pull them toward your hands. Feel that tension on the back side of your body, and keep breathing. Take an inhale. Exhale, bring it back down. And just shake your hands out for a moment. Now I'm going to take another version from here. So I want you to just keep the feet where they are to start. Hands behind the shoulders again, whatever rotation you need with the fingers. Push down, lift your seat up off the floor. And then step your left foot to center. We're going to cross the leg. So I just want you to bring the right ankle past your left thigh. Just a light cross, not completely sliding the right leg over. If you look at me, you see there's some space underneath my bent right knee. Now keep the legs pushing into each other so your right knee is pointing up. Work that as best you can. And take this up and down. Press your hips up and squeeze your glutes. Sink back down. Lift this up for 2. Sink back down. Press up high for 3. Bring it back down. Lift up for 4. Come back down. Lift up one more time. Hold here. Now keep your glutes squeezing. You can look wherever you like. But try to work to point that right knee straight up toward the ceiling as best you can. Take an inhale. Now at the exhale, just sink down and switch this out. Put the right foot down. Bring it into center. And then left ankle past your right thigh this time. And again, keep the legs pushing together. Try to point that left knee up. Now, press your hips up and squeeze your glutes. Sink back down. Lift up high for 2. And then come back down. Press up for 3. Sink back down again. Lift up for 4. And then come back down. Press up one more time. Hold here. Keep your glutes squeezing. Try to point that left knee straight up. Take an inhale. With the exhale, bring the left foot down and come all the way down. Shake your hands out for a moment. And then go across at the ankles. Come forward to all fours. And then from all fours, I'm going to take this into the wrist. Now just keep your hips stacked over your knees. Walk your hands in close. They're within one or 2 hands lengths of your knees. Make your hands into fists. 4 fingers in your palms, thumbs outside. And then hand shoulder width, push your fists into the floor like you're punching straight down. Now from here, go from side to side, one hand at a time. Keep the fingers curled in. So bend the right wrist, come to the back of the right hand. You can bend the elbow. And then up onto the knuckles. Do the same on the left side, back of the hand to the floor. And then lift up and just keep on alternating side to side. Now keep your fingers curled in the whole time. And if it feels too intense, go ahead and take a deep bend in the elbow if you need. If you want more intensity with the stretch at the wrist, you can try to keep the arm straighter. Just keep the fingers curled in the whole time. Now the next time the back of the right hand comes down, keep it down. Bring yourself to the back of the left hand as well. And then fingers are still curled in. Now, just take this to where you can. Bring your shoulders forward. Try to squeeze the elbows underneath you. And then straighten your arms as much as you can. Shoulders forward. Pull the elbows in as they bend. And then lift back up. Shoulders forward. Pull the elbows toward each other as they bend. Lift back up toward straight. Shoulders forward, elbows in. And then press back up. One more time. Shoulders forward. Squeeze the elbows toward each other. Press toward straight arms. And then release. Come up onto the fingertips. Down to your heels. And just shake your hands out. Loosen up your fingers and wrists. All right, let's take it to the shoulders from here. So I want you to bring yourself down to all fours. And then come down into a full forearm plank. So both forearms down. Now you have the choice here. You can have the forearms parallel with the palms down or put your palms together. Just see if the elbows stay shoulder width. Step your feet back. Bring your body into line and keep your feet about hips width distance apart. Push your hands into the floor. Keep your spine lifted. And just bring this and start to move straight forward and back. So bring your head as far forward as you can. And then press back. Forward for 2. And press back again. Forward for 3. Press it back. Forward for 4. And then press back. Now forward for 5. Press back and hold. I'm going to take a side plank from here. Roll your heels to the right. Come up onto your left hand. Keep your hips high. This is enough. Now if you want to take it further, stretch your left arm past your head. Further still, lift your left foot up off the floor. Now if you can move with this, take an inhale. Exhale, squeeze in elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee again. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee one more time. Now bring it back to your forearm plank. Everything in line, both forearms pressing down. And then just straight forward and back from here. So shift your shoulders forward as far as you can. And then press back. Come forward for 2. And press this back. Forward for 3. Press it back again. Forward for 4. And then press back. Forward for 5. Press back, and let's take the side plank the other way. Roll your heels left. Come up onto the right hand and keep your hips high. Maybe stay here. Maybe stretch your right arm past your head. If you can go further, lift your right foot up off the floor. And if you can move, take an inhale. Exhale, squeeze an elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee again. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee one more time. And then come back to your forearm plank. Take an inhale here. And with the exhale, just bring your knees down. Come up to all fours. All right, now it's a long time being on your forearm, so just move around, take a couple breaths. Now, one more thing, and this is to take this a bit further into the glutes. So you're going to start this from all fours. And this is going to be a little breath to movement sequence here, but we'll take the first round slow. So wrists underneath the shoulders and knees into the hips to start. Tuck the toes of both feet and keep your toes tucked. And let's go back and forth one leg at a time. So we'll take it slow to begin. Just extend your right leg straight back and look forward. Now, pull the knee and round your spine, nose to knee tight as you can. Now the toes of the left foot are tucked. Straighten both legs. Come up to a 3-legged down dog. And then bring yourself back down to all fours. On the other side, extend the left leg back, look forward. Now pull in round your spine, knee to nose. Both legs straight, left leg high, 3-legged dog. And then back to all fours, breath to movement. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale your left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale your left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale your left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. 3 more rounds. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale your left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. 2 more. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale your left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Last one. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale your left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, all fours, and just breathe here. All right. And that is a 10-minute warm-up for this round. Thank you very much.